Class 10 Science Heat and Temperature. Today our topic is heat and temperature, and the first topic is thermoscope or thermometer. So what is thermoscope and thermometer? So you can say here the first thermometer which is built by the Galileo, and the Galileo is the father of science. It is father of science or modern physics. You can say father of modern physics. He was built a home thermometer with the help of injection bottle, 10 centimeter long pipe of empty refill, scissor, ink, tip, water and candle. Fill water in this bottle, injection bottle, and pour a pipe, and whenever we take in hand, and the water is heated and the rising in this pipe, and with the help of level we can measure the temperatures. Now come to the modern temperature measurement, and there is the thermometer. It is looking like Fahrenheit, Celsius and Kelvin. Fahrenheit, the scientist, the name Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit, which create invention of mercury thermometer. So that is the mercury thermometer, all the mercury thermometer. And the measurement, how can measure the lowest point, that is the freezing point, and the highest, that is the boiling point of the water. Now in Fahrenheit, the freezing point is 32, this one is 32, and the highest, that is the 212, and it is divided into 180 division. It is divided into 180 division. And the Celsius, another thermometer, and the freezing point is 0 degree C, and the boiling point of water, that is the 100 degree C, and it is divided into 100 parts. And now in the Kelvin, the freezing point of water, it is denoted by 273, and the boiling point of water, it is denoted by 373 K, and it divides into 100 parts of the temperature thermometer. So how can relate it each other? So let us see here a relationship between the these thermometers. First of all, temperature scale minus freezing point upon boiling point minus freezing point of first thermometer, and similarly in the second thermometer. So let us see how it is. So it is your first, that is the Fahrenheit, it is F minus 32 upon, it is 212 minus 32, it is given here 32 is equal to, what about to Celsius? Celsius is C minus, it is 0 degree C, so you can write 0 upon the highest point is 100, so it is 100 minus 0. And what about to Kelvin? Kelvin is represented by K minus 0, not 0, it is 273, it is 273 upon it, the boiling point is 373 minus 273, it is boiling point. So calculate this. So F minus 32 upon, it becomes 180 is equal to C upon 100 is equal to K minus 273 upon 100. So 0 will be cancelled out to each other, and 2 9 ja, and 2 5 ja, and 2 5 ja. So the relationship is F minus 32 upon 9 is equal to C upon 5 is equal to K minus 273 upon 5. So that is the relationship among these thermometers. It is F minus 32 upon 9 is equal to C upon 5 is equal to K minus 273 upon 5. So let us see the some evidence of this. That is the our body temperature, it is normal temperature is 98 degrees, 98.6 Fahrenheit, and the in Celsius that is the 37 degrees C, and in Kelvin it is 310 K. Now come to the question. Our normal body temperature is set to 98.6 degrees C. So what happen? So what will be in Celsius? So how can change in Celsius? So it is Fahrenheit and Celsius. So we can say it is F minus 32 upon 9 is equal to C upon 5. Put the value of F. We have F is equal to 98.6 degree F. Put into this. So it is 98.6 minus 32 upon 9, and here is C upon 5. So what about this? So 8.6 is here, and 8 minus 2, that is the 6, and here is 9 minus 3, that is 6, and upon 9 is equal to C upon 5. So 3 3 ja, and here is 3 2 ja, 3 2 ja, and 3 2 ja also. So C is equal to how much? It is 22.2 upon 3 into 5. So we get 5 2 ja 10, and 5 2 ja 10, and 1 11, and 5 2 ja 10, and 1 11 upon 3. Now C becomes 1 1 1 upon divided by 3. So 3 3 ja 9, and there is 2, and 3 7 ja 21. So 37 degrees C is your answer. So it is very easy. So you can do. This is your first example. Now come to the second example. What happen in your second example? If the temperature of room is 0 degree K, what is the temperature in Celsius? That is the C. So you can see here Kelvin and the Celsius. So our formula is F minus 32 upon 9 is equal to C upon 5 is equal to K minus 273 upon 5. So we can take only these two formula, these two relationship. So we can write here C upon 5 is equal to K minus 273 upon 5. 5 will be cancelled out. So we get C is equal to K minus 273. But K is given as 0 degree K. So you can put the value of K. We get C is equal to 0 minus 273. So C is equal to minus 273 degrees Celsius, and that is your answer. Now come to the this question number 6 on your textbook. Convert the temperature given below into given units. First of all, 14 degree Fahrenheit. So you have a formula into Celsius. So F and C here. So the formula is F minus 32 upon 9 is equal to C upon 5. Here F is given as 14 degree F. Put the value of F in this. So F is 14 minus 32 upon 9 is equal to C upon 5. So what will be happen? So it is minus how much? 12 minus 4, it is 8, and here is 2, 2 minus 1, that is the 1 upon 9 is equal to C upon 5. 9 1 ja 9, and 9 2 ja 18. So minus 2 is equal to C upon 5, then C is equal to minus 10 degrees C. That is your answer. Now come to this one, 100 degrees C into Fahrenheit. How can change the 100 degrees C? So first of all, you can write the formula f minus 32 upon 9 is equal to c upon 5. So C is given as 100 degrees C. Put the value of C in this equation. So F minus 32 upon 9 is equal to C is 100 given. So you can write here 100. So 100 upon 5. 5 1 ja 5 and 5 2 ja 10. So 20. So F minus 32 is equal to 20 into 9. So what will be happen in this? So F minus 32 is equal to 9 2 ja 18, it becomes 180. So F will be equal to 180 plus 32. So F is equal to, it is 3 and 0 and 2, that is 2, 8 and 3, that is the 11, 1 and 1, that is the 2, 212 degree F. So that is your answer. Now come to the third point. It is 12K into Celsius. So Celsius and K. So first of all, you can write all the formula. F minus 32 upon 9, and here is C upon 5 is equal to K minus 273 upon 5. So you can take only this one, this. So C upon 5 is equal to K minus 273 upon 5. 5 will be cancelled out. Now C is equal to K minus 273. K will be given as a 12. So you can put K is equal to 12K. Put the value. So C is equal to 12 minus 273. So C is equal to minus 3 minus 2, that is the 1, and 7 minus 1, that is the 6, and 2 is lonely degree C, and that is your answers. Now come to the question. In which temperature Celsius and Fahrenheit are equal? In which temperatures? So first of all, you can write the formula. F minus 32 upon 9 is equal to C upon 5. Let that is the x. F is equal to C is equal to x. Now put the value. It is x minus 32 upon 9 is equal to x upon 5. Do the multiplication, cross multiplication. So it is 9 of x is equal to 5x minus 5 2 ja 10 and 5 3 ja 15 and 1 16. So it is 9x transfer to 5x to left hand side, minus 5x is equal to 160 with minus sign. It becomes 4x is equal to minus 160. So x is equal to minus 160 divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4 and 4 4 ja. So x is equal to minus 40. That means minus 40 degree F is always equal to minus 40 degree C. Now you can relate, that is the homework for your homework, relation between the equal temperature between Celsius and Fahrenheit. It is Fahrenheit, but now change into Kelvin. फॉरेनहाइट एंड केल्विन में आपको रिलेशनशिप फाइंड करनी है. नाउ कम टू द एक्सरसाइज 1, दैट इज द चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट, द रेशो ऑफ लीनियर area and volume expansion is, that is the 1 raised to 2 raised to 3, that is your answer. Now come to the second. Among object A and B is the specific heat of object A is less than of the object B, then the first one is correct. Object A will be get warm sooner. Now third, which one among the following is the best conductor of heat? And that one is asbestos. In which one of the following heat cannot be flow due to convection? So that is the vacuum. So it's your completed first question. Now ये यहीं तक आज मैं छोड़ रहा हूँ, इतना ही. अब अगले वीडियो में आपको मैं दूंगा. और अपनी अटेंडेंस जो है सब्सक्राइब्स का बटन, नीचे लाल रंग का बटन दिया हुआ है, इसको सब्सक्राइब्स को दबा करके अपनी अटेंडेंस देंगे, जिससे मुझे पता चल सकेगा हाँ आप लोगों ने अटेंड करके इसको देखा है। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।